Tónlistarmaðurinn og sundkappinn Már Gunnarsson, sem nú býr í Englandi og stundar tónlistarnám í Manchester, fékk þá hugmynd fyrir nokkrum mánuðum að halda stórtónleika á Íslandi ásamt 30 manna stórhljómsveit. Tilefnið var útgáfa nýrrar hljómplötu Más.
What a wonderful world. I see clouds of white, the clouds of white, bright blessed day and the dark says goodnight. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, and also the faces of all the people walking by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do. They're saying I love you.
Getting between the cutting, pulled all out to a train, and then that you go get it goes up the road, who could know whom your name? Showing that in my home, the cruiser, oh, and get the land, that's just, yes, I was switching the route, I'm cruiser, I will run to the place.
Way back in the days, after our bed of roses burned. Sometimes I wonder, it would have been better. Oh, day. man.